Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace diverter for the KBRP562D SNSP. Additional model numbers that may apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need a 1/8" hex Allen wrench, adjustable wrench or channel lock pliers, 3mm pin, flat head screwdriver, diverter part KBRP562D, and needle nose pliers. Last, ensure to shut off both supply valves. Carefully remove the red and blue indexes from the handle with a flat head screwdriver. Use 1/8" hex Allen wrench to loosen the set screw inside the handle by turning counterclockwise. Remove the dome cap by hand or channel lock pliers by turning counterclockwise. Remove the cam, rubber gasket, and ball cartridge from the body. Gently pull the spout to remove it from the valve body. Use a 3mm pin and insert into the outlet hole of cartridge body to push the diverter outward. Then pull diverter out using needle nose pliers. Replace with new diverter. Carefully insert the spout onto the valve body. Insert the ball cartridge by lining up the slot on the side with a pin in the inside of the ball well. Follow by the cam, making sure cam lines up with the notch. Now carefully insert the dome cap. Press down on the ball and hold to make sure cam does not come out of the notch and thread the dome cap. Screw adjusting ring back on by hand. Now tighten ring with needle nose pliers. Insert handle back. And tighten set screw inside the handle with 1/8" Allen wrench by turning clockwise. Replace screw cap. Before we finish, remember to turn on water supply valves and check for leaks. That's it. You have successfully completed the replacements.